Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket Flow, and today we are going to see about auto scaling group demos. In my previous video, I have teach you about auto scaling theory part and why it's need, what is the purpose of it. And today we are going to see a demo. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and check out our other videos as well related to AWS. You can check out my portfolio as well, rakesh1.in, and if you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there and reach out to me. Let's start our demo section. So first of all, you need to log into your console. Go to EC2 section. Inside auto scaling, we have auto scaling group. Click on that, and here we need to create a auto scaling group. Click on that. We need to give a name. So we will give auto AS demo auto scaling, and we need to create a launch template. Basically how we are going to create our EC2 instance, how much what are the things it should be there in your EC2 instance. That's what we are going to do in a launch template. So first we need to give a name, my AS demo. Okay, and here you can give the description, template version. Okay, and we need to select AMI. We'll go with Ubuntu. Then instance type, anything is fine. It is free for eligible. Free tier is fine. Don't include. Okay, and the security group you can select. This is VPC security group. We have an existing security group, which is this one, which we have created for ELB. If I will show you what is there in this security group, no worries. Okay, and in the advanced section, what we are going to do, we are going to make an add one script. In this script, we are installing Apache. Okay, and then we are enabling and starting, and then this is the HTML page, hello from Bucketflow, and then the host name, that IP address we are going to see. Okay, so create launch template. So our launch template got created. Go back to the previous window and refresh it, and here we'll get our launch template. Default version, check all the details, click on next. Now VPC and AZ, we are going to select all the AZs. Okay, and the VPC is the default one, you can create your own. And the balance best effort, click on next. Okay, now here we need to select no load balancer. Okay, and keep it default. Health check enable, turn on UBS health check, you can do. Okay, now the desired capacity. So last video I have explained what is desired capacity and min and max. Okay, so desired capacity will be 2, which means the actual capacity. Okay, how much always should be there. Okay, minimum 1 and the maximum you can give 3 for anything. Okay, so we'll give the desired 2 and the max will be 2. Let's get 3. The max desired capacity will be 3. Okay, no policy, additional capacity reserve preference, default, enabling auto scaling deletion protection, no default. So basically auto scaling deletion protection is by accidentally if someone deletes, so it will prevent. Okay, so this is what, as of now you can go with a none default setting. Okay, and add notification, as of now not required. Click on next, and you can verify all the details here. Okay, and create auto scaling group. Okay, once you will create the auto scaling group, you can see here now name, instance, status. Okay, desired capacity, min and max, AZ, creation date. Okay, and what you can do, you can go to EC2. Okay, go to instance, and here you will see 2 instance will be up and running. Okay, so this is the our desired instance. So that means the actual instance, how much it should be up and running. Okay, so as of now too, we will wait for the status check. It should be there. Okay, and now we have created our ASG. Now we'll go to load balancer. Okay, as of now there is no load balancer. Okay, so by a load balancer we are going to access our EC2 instance. Okay, create a load balancer, go with the application load balancer, and here you can give EC2 auto scaling load balancer. Okay, the default one IPv4 and the VPC. You can check the AZ. I'm going with all the AZs. And the security group which will be elastic load balancer EC2 security group. Okay, and the HTTP port 80 forwarding port secure target. Okay, target group, we need to create the now target group. Okay, so this will be instance and we'll give elastic load balancer target group port 80 IPv4 HTTP1. You can get with anything. Okay, so this will be our health checkup target. This optional, click on next, and here our two EC2 which we have created via auto scaling group will be here. Click include the pending below. Okay, now its status is up and running. Okay, and click on next. We'll create a target group. Okay, so this is our target group, and we'll wait till the health status is success. We'll go to our load balancer. Okay, if we refresh it here, we'll get our this ELB target group 100%. Wait, and apart from that, go with the default, and here you can verify all the things. Okay, create load balancer. Okay, we'll wait for a minute because our health status is still unused. Initializing. Okay, we'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll get back and check. Okay, so our load balancer status is active. We'll go to, and we'll have something called DNS. We'll click on this and we'll try to access. Okay, what we can do, we'll go with HTTP only and see. Now this is 172.31.14 and 5. Okay, we'll go to our EC2 which we have created. Okay, here is our EC2, and if you see the IP address, yeah, click on that, the IP address. Okay, we'll see our the second IP address and then we'll compare. So this one is, you can see 172.31.14 and 5, or 172.31.14 and 5. If we refresh, okay, now you can see 142. Okay, and we'll see our which instance is 142. You can see here, this is the first instance which is 142 at the end, and this is the second instance which is 5. So if we refresh it, okay, so we'll get the different one. See, sometimes we are getting 5, sometimes we are getting 20 14 142. You can see that's how the ASG works. Okay, but the cool part of the ASG is, okay, we have our EC2 instance. Okay, if I go here and but two EC2 instances are running, let me rename it EC2 1. Okay, and EC2 1, and this will be our EC2 2. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to delete one EC2 instance and see what will happen. So this is our EC2, and we'll terminate this one. Okay, we'll terminate this EC2 instance and wait, and we'll see what will happen. Because it auto scaling group, what will do, it will create an EC2 instance if it doesn't meet the desired capacity. So our desired capacity was 2, and as of now only one is running. Okay, and we'll wait. Yeah, here you can see our second EC2 instance is about to start. Okay, it's a pending state. So anytime if one EC2 instance goes off, the second will, as soon as it will come up. Okay, so as of now it's shutting down and this one is coming up. So that's the use of auto scaling group. With the load and the desired capacity, you can set the configuration and it will make sure, ASUS will make sure that much EC2 instance will up and running. So hope you like this video, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and check out other AWS related video and other topic as well. And if you are check out my portfolio as well, and if you are on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.